Hi, welcome to back my channel Vijay Tutrapan. Today topic is the DDR7. Now coming is the year of 2028 and 2034. The between these years. Now I will explain some information gain this the viral on the internet and browsers also. I will tell you this information. Let us go to the video. The based on current industry roadmaps and tech forecasting, DDR7 RAM is not yet available for the consumer price, and 128 GB modules are not part of this Intel generation roadmap. Releasing date industry JEDEC and export timelines project that DDR7 desktop system memory will arrive around the 2028 to 2024 between these years. Some projections suggested DDR6 will arrive on the first around the 2027. The 120 GB price since DDR7 modules dual line interface memory module system do not exist yet. There is no price. However, the DDR5 is currently experiencing the mass price increases some 100% higher with 128 GB kit become very expensive due to the AI demand. The current high end is the 2025 and 2026 is high performance 128 GB kit into available on the market DDR5 range. The 2 into 64 GB one stick is currently exited for the DDR5, such as the compatible with next gen AMD Intel system reach speed up to 6400 mega terabytes per second data transfer IR. The most important now available GDDR7 graphic memory. This is for the GPU and is available now playing in 2024-2025 AI and high-end card like a RTX 50 series and 5550 and 5070 DDR7 system memories. This for the motherboard still a year away. Please watch this video tutorial point and so many informative videos are coming. Please subscribe, please share, please comment. Thanking you once again your video tutorial point.